y, then x plus k over y plus k is what? Okay, and k is a positive number. So here we can just quickly do an experiment to understand the concept. I can answer this question just straight away, but still we need to understand the concept. Why does it happen? For example, there is one case that I am taking a over b as 2 over 3, and there is another case I am taking a over b as 3 over 2, and that means a upon b I am taking less than 1, a upon b I am taking greater than 1. That means in this case a is greater than b, and in this case a is less than b, and in both the cases I am taking k equal to 1. So these are the two conditions, and they are all positive cases. Let's see what happens if we add uh, a plus k over b plus k. In both cases we say 2 plus 1 over 3 plus 1, that is equal to 3 by 4. In the other case, a plus k over b plus k is equal to 3 plus 1 over 2 plus 1, which is equal to 4 over 3. 4 over 3 has value 1.33, 3 over 4 has value 0.75. Do you realize now a plus k over b plus k, 0.75, is greater than a upon b in this particular case? Whereas what happens in this particular case? A plus k over b plus k, which is 1.33, is less than a upon b. Now the question is to understand why does it happen rather than just memorizing the rule. This change is happening because when we add 1 in both the numerator, we have increased the numerator here by 50% and we have increased the denominator here by 33.33%. Because the numerator has been increased by the greater percentage, so the result is bigger than the previous one. And here exactly opposite has happened. When you add 1 in the numerator has increased by 33.3%, whereas the denominator has increased by 50%. Since the denominator has increased by a greater percentage, therefore the resultant has become smaller. Therefore this becomes smaller, this becomes bigger. Because you must understand that a upon b when multiplied by the same number in both numerator and denominator does not change. That means if you multiply 1.2 in both numerator and denominator, that means you have increased both numerator and denominator by 20%, then the fraction remains the same. But if the numerator is increasing by the greater percentage than the denominator, then the fraction will have greater value if everything is positive. And likewise, when the numerator is decreasing by the greater percentage than the denominator, then the resultant will be smaller. Keeping those things in mind, now in this particular case, because x is less than y, so here this case is prevalent, and we can quickly see that finally when we add the value of k in the numerator and denominator, the resultant is greater. This is greater than x plus y, so the answer here should be B option. I hope this concept helps you understand how the fractions change when a constant is added in both numerator and denominator. Thank you so much for watching this video.